Well, after going to school and getting a test tube from a teacher, can able to finish my Lumina flow engine or Thermoacoustic engine. As you see, the flywheel out of a VCR, a pot, air pot, piston and cylinder, another VCR part, some rubber hosing from remote control RC from my Savage, steel wool, and some drywall clamp stuff, and also a candle. This is a pyrex tube. It could withstand very high temperatures, even melting points, maybe, and will not crack. As you see, my air pot stuff, it cracked from high heat, which is crappy, but it works better now. More efficient, fully sealed. As you see, I could pull this tube anywhere, even all the way out here, and it would not even suck a tiny bit of air in, and always comes back at that spot. So I adjusted it, and it runs the fastest this way with this much amount of steel wool. As sooner or later I'm gonna replace it with finer one and see how that does. And now it's starting by itself, and now it's rocking back and forth. As most people don't know, like me, before I didn't know that it had a little hole thing. So this one was perfect. I didn't need to drill out or anything. Just stuffed it in there, and it would stay with some steel tubing seal. Runs a good, pretty fast speed.